Bounty Killers Barclays sold out concert ignite dancehall fans right across the globe. Wanna hear the good news? JUTC just received 30 new bus for help with transportation. But we did have transportation issue before? Wanna talk to me, let me know. People, wanna saggle up body because come the 21st of July, no more paper. We're going electronic registration, fitness, and insurance. So all the people then when I say I ask the question, then what happen if me can't find this and what happen if my phone dead? Remember me tell them can scan the license plate and find all of them information. But we are gonna talk about it. All this and more on Sunday Night Live this Sunday at 8 p.m. So make sure you cook the dinner early and come join because we're gonna talk about some more things like what's going on with the agency, yeah? And all the comments them. Come and know say it's hot enough and in it enough. But guess what? This Sunday we're gonna talk more, yeah? If you wanna come and join us, we're gonna be at Willie's Thatch Roof at 8 p.m. this Sunday. So join us.
Yo, Rasta!
Yo! What that?
Just a test of
Jaja.
skills, man. What go on?
Yo! Jaja, Jenna, you shake up my system, you know?
Yo, me just a test of reflex star.
You have to be careful. I could have stayed them way there, you know?
No, you don't stay them way there, man. That's why I run up, you know? But you're alright still.
Yeah, man. In these times, you have to quick and you have to fit.
Real talk, you know.
So I go on, you take on the fitness road.
You know what I say? In a real life still. Me
Yeah.
always I do my exercise, but today I decide to I do some laps, you know?
Yes, man. In a real life, you know? Because health is wealth.
No joke. So what business are going? Come and see from them time there, you know.
Business are going good, you know? I try hold it together, you know? But I have to close the bar for a minute because I never need a bartender.
For real? So what going for my girl?
She's never ready for the road, you know. Customer service is a big deal in a business, you know. I don't think most of them young girls, yeah, overs that still, you know.
True. And them feel like them forget attitude for everything.
That me I talk about. And it's because she related to one of the boss them. She move like she entitled, you know.
For real? So which one of the boss them she related to?
A ranking niece, my brother.
Out of curiosity, how you do her? You chat to Rankin and make Rankin deal with her or you terminate her service?
Well, me chat to I chat to King, man, you know. Out of respect, you say, true, a King get the gig for me. Talk to him. And then chat to Rankin. And then Rankin just call me and tell me, say, yo, brother, remember, say, you have full autonomy, you know. You are run the business. So deal with it the best way. So I just deal with it.
Sound like a real businessman, you know. You not run no joke.
Yeah, man. One thing with them, man, that them always have to tell it straight. Whether family or friend.
I have to respect that.
So I may run after a project here for them in a cause here. A two general, when I rate on a level, you see it?
Yeah, man. Not real life. You know, sir, that's why I love learn from the elders. You learn the real way. You see youth them nowadays. Man, them fragile style.
Youth them wake, man. Man, them coming like from Sunday to Saturday, brother. And the man them live now eat right. Be a social media, the youth them live pan.
Numbers ain't easy, you know. I real talk still. So how the weed house are going?
That going good, you know. Even though the man them not free up the weed license, but that going, man.
Sound good, you know. But you know, I said I license something there. A politics thing though.
Yeah, man. Only aware of that. So, Jenna, other agency something I go on. The laptop thing. When we sort it out,
Now some sort of wasted, you know. But we still try to find the source, you know.
why them not stop try off for big money, man?
It's sad, you know. All the man do I try to fix what go on in the country.
But you are going. See the country around. You see if you not link with one of the corruption syndicate them, just know, I'm gonna come for you.
You know, I feel like them are pray him just because him go independent though.
And worse, you must spend him own money and them not who know the source, you know?
And that's the biggest city right now, you know.
Whisper. You know say your boss money tall, right?
Well, I don't know the details still. But I figure say him stay away.
Now tell your son him stay away. And it's because he don't have answer to no government institution. He must always see him as public enemy number one. And he must always under premise.
Moreover, so you say, the agency are gonna always be a threat.
Yeah.